Here is how to short a stock on eToro step by step. Start on the eToro platform and go to the search area. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to short. Then select the correct result from the list. Take a moment here to make sure you are opening the right stock, especially if several companies have similar names or symbols. Once you have found it, open the stocks page so you can move to the trade screen. On the stock page, look for the trade button and click it. This opens the trade window for that stock. The trade window is where you choose whether you want to buy the stock or short it and where you enter the details for the position. If the window takes a moment to appear, wait for it to load fully before continuing so all trade settings are visible. At the top of the trade window, switch the order type from buy to short. This is an important part of the process because the default view may be set to buy. Shorting means you are opening a position that benefits if the stock price moves down. Before moving on, check that the trade window clearly shows short at the top, so you do not place the wrong type of order. Next, enter the amount or the number of units you want to trade. Depending on the version of the platform you are using, you may be able to set the trade by dollar amount or by units. Enter the value that matches the position size you want to open. As you do this, the platform may update the trade details automatically, including margin or exposure information shown in the window. After that, adjust the trade settings if needed. Set your leverage based on the options available for that stock and your account. Then review the stop loss and take profit settings. These controls let you define where the position should close automatically if the trade moves against you or reaches your target. If you plan to use them, enter the levels you want before placing the order. If the settings are already visible, review them carefully rather than clicking through too quickly. Once all of the trade details are in place, review the full order one more time. Confirm that you selected the correct stock, that the trade is set to short, and that the amount, leverage, stop loss, and take profit match what you intend to place. When everything looks right, click short to open the position. Your short position on the selected stock is now open on eToro.